if you are in Nigeria and you actually want to buy crypto or to withdraw your crypto at a black market rate, then you definitely will be making use of Binance P2P, alright, because currently in Nigeria $1 per naira is almost 670 naira, which is approximately 700, alright, and we want to be using the black market rate to withdraw our crypto. So in this video I am going to be showing you how you can actually withdraw from your Binance using P2P, and in a way to ensure that you follow along in this video, I am going to be withdrawing 200 USD from my Binance account so that it will be a kind of some sort of tutorial for you all. Alright, so if you do not know me, my name is Tochi Eke. I appreciate you for coming back to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, you're welcome. If you are a new visitor to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also click in the link in the description and join my Telegram community. So basically I have been using Binance P2P withdrawal for a very long time and I have not been disappointed. Alright, and I am also going to be showing you some tricks and some strategy that you will use to ensure that you make your P2P transactions successful. So having that said, let's actually get into the video right now. Now what we are going to be making use of is Binance App. So what you have to do is to go over to Play Store and download Binance App. Alright, so if you download it, then so obviously you already have an account. What you have to do is just to do what is to log in. I'll be placing a screen video of what I'll be doing along on the screen because I will be doing this with my phone. So first thing we are going to do after logging in is to change our Binance app from Binance Lite to Binance Pro. Alright, because as you can see on the screen right now, what we have now is Binance Lite and not Binance Pro, and there is no P2P transaction on Binance Lite, and to change it is actually very easy and very simple. All you have to do is to click on this icon on the left part of your screen that has a symbol of human being. Alright, once you tap on it, you are going to see a kind of an option that says Binance Lite. Then you turn it off. Once you turn it off, then you automatically be logged into Binance Pro, and this is where everything will be happening. So Binance, we're actually going to be giving you a whole lot of pop-up notification. Read it and click OK. If you don't want to read it, you can simply click OK so that it take you to the dashboard. So now that you are on the home page, then what you are going to do is to click on more. Alright, you can see these icons where you have deposit, referral, strategy training, in, and then more. Then you click on more. If you click on more, it's going to bring you to another homepage, click written service. Then you tend to see this, you click OK. Then you have to scroll down and look for P2P. Alright, you scroll down and look for P2P trading. So P2P is obviously under trade, so you look at the one that has trade. Then under that you will see P2P, you have convert, spot, margin, features, P2P. Then you click on P2P. Once you click on P2P, it's going to bring you to this option, and this is Binance giving you a notification about risk regarding what? Regarding P2P. Alright, now you tend to go ahead and read it. Now you have to see what they say. To avoid becoming a victim of scammers, never release cryptocurrency before actually receiving the payment. Don't believe anyone who claims to be a customer support and convinces you to release crypto before you receive payment. They are scammers. Once the seller confirms the order and transfers the assets to the buyer, what they are basically trying to tell you now is do not release any crypto to your buyer until you confirm on your bank account that the expected amount you are meant to receive have landed in your bank account before you release payment. And anyone trying to tell you to release payment, you shouldn't do that, because once you release the payment, you have no access to the crypto again. Even Binance cannot help you. So as a disclaimer, ensure you do not fall for this kind of victim. Alright, so after reading that, then you click on confirm. If you click on confirm, then Binance will actually give you a kind of notification on how to go ahead of that or how to go with that. So you just have to click on next so that you go over to the home page. So once you are here now, the next thing you are going to do is to click on sell. Automatically it's meant to be on buy, but remember, we are not buying, all right? We are actually selling. So we want to sell our crypto and not to buy. If at all you want to buy, then you tend to use the buy option, but we are actually going to sell. So I will click on sell, which I have already clicked. Binance will give you some kind of tutorial. You just skip the tutorial if you do not want to take that. All right, so now you are on sell. You tend to see people that are ready to buy from you and how much they are willing to buy per Naira, all right, which you can basically see here. Now you see Mayor J, he's actually ready to buy for the rate of 673.02 Naira. This one is buying at 672.70. This one is buying for what? 672.70, all right, which is approximately close to the current black market rate now, which is 700 as at the time I'm making this video. All right, so now there is something you need to check out for before choosing somebody that you will deal with, all right? Before choosing somebody you will sell your crypto with, there is what is called number of trades and transaction percentage, all right? So number of trades, which you can see here now, is always close to the sell button, above the sell button, all right? So you have to see number of trades and then percentage. I personally, I always go with somebody that has made over 1,000 trades, all right? So the number of trades is actually showing the number of transactions the person has done, all right? The number of transactions the person has done. So this person that have 145 trades simply means that he has actually buy trades from people 145 times, all right? I hope you understand, all right? So if you come over to Teja has 219 trades, all right, and he has a percentage of 89.40%, whereas the other one that have 145 trades has a percentage of 50.90%. Now what this percentage is actually showing you is the percent of what concluded trade with no issue, all right? I hope you actually understand. So what we want to go for is somebody that have higher percentage and higher number of trades. As simple as that. Do not go for anybody that has lower percentage and lower trades. Anything below 80% I'm off, all right? I usually go with somebody that has more than 1,000 trades and more than 90%, all right? So I am to have to scroll down and find somebody that has my own perspective. So what you are going to do next is to come over here and click on filter, so that you will be able to make your preferences and your choice and do some other important settings, all right? So the first thing you're going to set is your payment method. You have to select bank transfer. That's the one I advise everyone to select, bank transfer, so that you will be matched with only those who are ready to buy your crypto using bank transfer. So different people have their own different payment options, all right? So by advice, you select bank transfer. So if you select that, the next thing you're going to set is your country. I'll select Nigeria because I am from Nigeria, but if you're not from Nigeria, you can easily click on all and select your own country. With that, you will only be matched to those who are in your country alone. You wouldn't want to be doing business with somebody in United States or somebody that is in Ghana that is using Ghana cedis, and you want him to send you Ghana cedis here in Nigeria. It doesn't make sense, all right? So you want to deal with only those that are in Nigeria. Once you are done doing that, you come down to here, click written only show ads from merchants, all right? You turn it on. The reason why you are going to turn it on is for Binance to only show those that are verified for you, all right? With that, you will be working with those that are verified. You'll be selling your crypto to those that are verified. And of course, Binance is not going to verify somebody who is still starting or somebody who has not made enough transactions. So with that, it will be very much easy for you to deal with scam. Another thing you can do is that you can come over here and type any amount. Let's assume there is a particular amount you want to sell your crypto to, then you can easily type it under that amount to see if anyone is advertising for that amount. So I'll just go over here and type on 700 and click on confirm. So as you can see, they said no ads, which basically means no one place an ask to buy crypto at 700 naira. So 700 naira. All right, so what I have to do is just to click on filter again, then change that 700 and click on confirm. So the normal price will be back, but as you can see, since the price changed, I guess the price actually changed. Yeah, it changed. That's how it works. All right, anytime you place an order, the price will keep changing depending on those who are online. If the person who placed that order goes offline, his ads will be removed. All right, these things works instantly. For somebody's ads to be showing like this, I want to buy crypto, the person has to be online. So once the person goes offline, his ads will be removed. All right, his order will be removed. That's why you're seeing the change in price, but that's not an issue. I'll just go ahead and reselect another person based on what I have taught you, checking their percentage and the number of trades they have completed. So I'll just scroll down and check the new orders and pick one that best describe what I want. So it seems like I'll be going for this guy called Mr. Legacy. Reason being that, as you can see, he is verified. All right, as you can see, because I selected on merchants, Binance is only showing me as from those who are verified. That is number one, he's verified. Number two is he has completed 5,163 trades and he has a percentage of 90.20%. All right, so that's why I'm going for him, and his price is 660.60 naira. All right, I would have gone for the first person, which is Clumsy. He has a completed trade of 954 trades and a percentage of 94.10%. But this guy, Mr. Legacy, have completed 5,603 trades, all right, and a percentage of 90.20%. So the gap is very much there. That's why I will be going for what, Mr. Legacy. All right, so once I'm done checkmating on those one, I will click on sell. If I click on sell, Binance will take me to another page, which is here. As you can see, I'm going to type in the amount of crypto I want to sell. As you can already see, what I have in my balance right there is 201.54 USD, and that's the amount I want to sell. So I'll just go ahead and click on all. Once I click on all, Binance will do the calculation for me, the amount I'm expected to receive from whosoever will be buying this coin. The amount I'm going to receive from Mr. Legacy is 133,137.32 naira. In fact, Binance will tell you that you should receive this payment down to the minimum digits, all right, down to the lowest digits. So this is the full amount I'm expected to receive from this guy. All right, so what I have to do next is to select my payment method. So I will add your bank account, and then they will bring you to this page. Then you click on add payment method. If you click on add payment method, you just go ahead and fill up all these. So I'm done filling that. I'll click on confirm. All right, Binance requires a verification. They sent a verification test to my phone number. I'll click on send verification. I will copy the verification and paste here. That is for security reasons, for them to be sure you are the one placing this order. So the code just landed. I'll copy and paste it here. All right, so once I do that, I click on submit. As you can see, payment successfully added. Easy as that. I will go back. I'll click on payment. I'll click on back. All right, then I'll come over here again and click on all. So I'll click on all. All right, because I want to sell all actually. Then once I'm done with that, I will select a payment method. Remember, initially was to add payment method, so that details I added, I will select it. So I'll just select that. As you can see, it's already selected. So once I'm done with that, I'll click on sell with zero fee. Binance basically charge you nothing to sell your crypto. All right, you sell for free. So you just go ahead and read some of these terms and conditions, and it's very, very important. All right, so the person you are matched to have his or her terms and condition is good. You go across it before clicking on sell. As you can see, the person I will be transacting with is Mr. Legacy, and he has some things written out here as a terms of condition, which he said fast payments, kindly be online if you apply for trade, be online to release. Once my ass is on, I'm online. Please don't call, it will disturb my network in attending to others. Chat my WhatsApp line if I haven't paid before 7 minutes. All right, so it's a very simple stuff. Every other people have their own terms and conditions, so ensure you do what? Ensure you go across it. So, and another thing you have to look at is buyer's payment method. As you can see, buyer's payment method, you only have Go Money and bank transfer. All right, so you have to check on all those things. Some people do not have bank transfer. Ensure you select the one that you have. If it's Go Money, you want to select it. If it's bank transfer, you select it, so I won't have any issue and complication at the end. So once you are done checkmating on all these things, then you scroll up and click on sell with 0 fees. So once you've clicked on sell with 0 fees, all right, automatically Binance will escrow your words. They will escrow your coin, and you can see here they said waiting for buyer's payment. So what you have to do is just to chill, take a cup of tea, and wait for your money to land in your bank account. As you can see from what Binance said, they said please wait for buyer to transfer the fund. After receiving the fund, please click on confirm receipt. All right, as simple as that. So another thing I do tell people is once you receive the payment, do not just go with the normal alert. Log into your mobile app and check if it's actually dropped to your bank account. If you don't have mobile app, ensure you rush to the nearest bank or be in the bank. Once the money drop, you demand for your bank statements and check if the money is there, because of all these fake transfers and everything that is going on. With that, you won't be scammed. All right, so now what you're going to do is to click on OK and leave the browser. So as you can see, you can chat with the person, which is Mr. Legacy. I think I will just go ahead and drop a message to him, and that's all. You just type, hey bro, kindly check your orders. As simple as that. I will send, and that's all. All right, so I will basically chill until I receive an alert on my bank account. So I just received the payment and I am going to confirm the guy. All right, so I'll just put you through how to do that. All right, I received the payment down to the lowest digit, even that 0.32. He sent everything. So what I'm going to do is just to confirm him. Is very, very easy. I'll go here and click on payment received. If you click on payment received, so because you've received, what you are going to click on is I have received the correct amount. All right, so you're going to click on I have received payment. If you have not received, you click on I have not received payment from the buyer. That's if you want to report. All right, but most often I don't have that issue. So you just come over here and click on and read on tips and see what Binance is telling you based on security. Confirm, then it will bring me to this page. Then I'm meant to verify my login. Click on send code. They are going to send me a code, so you just patiently wait for that. You put it in and click on submit. So the code just entered, I copy it, then paste automatically, then click on submit and allow it to load. Then as you can see, they said successfully sold 201.54 USDT. Then I click on wallet, and that's how simple it can be. So yeah, that's basically how you can withdraw from Binance using P2P, and that was super easy. Within a matter of minutes, the transaction has been done. All right, so I hope this video was able to help you in your confusion regarding Binance P2P. If you find this video interesting and educating, kindly subscribe to my channel. Alright, like this video, turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I drop another video, you will be definitely notified. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.